All right, let's talk about the MD-102 exam. If you're an IT pro in the Microsoft 365 world, you know this certification is a pretty big deal. But let's be honest, it can be a real beast to prepare for. No worries, though. Today, we are laying out a complete roadmap, a strategic blueprint designed to get you over that finish line and pass on your very first try. So, here's our 5-part mission. First up, we're going to understand the true challenge of this exam. Then, we'll break down the exam itself. Know your enemy, right? After that, we'll build your study plan, figure out how to master the material, and finally, lock in a winning strategy for exam day.
Okay, first things first. Every successful mission starts with solid intelligence. We need to get a clear picture of the objective and, just as important, the specific challenges you're going to face with the MD-102.
Now, the crucial point here is that this isn't your old-school desktop management exam. Not even close. The MD-102 is about proving you can handle the entire modern endpoint ecosystem. We're talking Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, the whole shebang. In today's world of hybrid and remote work, being the person who can manage and secure all of those devices, well, that makes you absolutely invaluable. And this quote just hits the nail on the head. This is the real challenge. You could have years of hands-on experience with Intune and still find this exam incredibly tricky. Why? Because it's not just testing your practical skills. It's testing your reading comprehension and your knowledge of very specific, sometimes obscure details. You have to know the Microsoft way of doing things, which isn't always how we do it in the real world. All right, now it's time to deconstruct the exam itself. When you know the structure, what they're focusing on, you can channel your study efforts for maximum impact. No waste of time. Okay, just look at this for a second. This chart tells you almost everything you need to know. Nearly half, we're talking 40 to 45% of the entire exam is on managing, maintaining, and protecting devices. That is a massive signpost from Microsoft telling you exactly where to spend the lion's share of your study time. It's the biggest piece of the pie for a very good reason. Think of this slide as your tactical map. These are the key battlegrounds. When you see Deploy Windows Client, you know you've got to be laser-focused on Autopilot and MDT. And for that huge Manage and Protect Devices chunk, it's all about the Intune device lifecycle, checking device health and endpoint protection. Study this map. Know it inside and out. So, with the terrain all mapped out, it's time to assemble your arsenal. Seriously, having the right study materials is the difference between an efficient, focused plan, like a 2-week sprint, and a long, frustrating slog. And the sources on this are crystal clear. You have to stick to the official materials. Think of Microsoft Learn as your main textbook. The official docs, that's your deep dive reference library. And then you have high-quality practice tests like the ones from MeasureUp. Those are your sparring partners. They're how you test your readiness and get used to the way they ask questions. Listen, if you only take one single thing away from this entire explainer, please let it be this. Reading theory is not enough. It will not get you a pass. You absolutely 100% must get your hands dirty. Go set up a trial Microsoft 365 tenant. Enroll devices, create policies, deploy applications, break things, fix things. You have to do the work to truly understand it. This slide basically shows you 2 paths, 2 choices. The ineffective path is what a lot of people try. Cramming last minute, relying on sketchy brain dumps, and just passively reading the material. That is a recipe for failure on an exam full of complex scenarios. The effective path, that's about truly understanding why things work the way they do, applying that knowledge in a lab, and then analyzing your mistakes on practice tests. You have to choose your path. Okay, so you've got your resources, you've got your strategy. Now let's talk tactics. How do you take all of this dense information and actually lock it into your long-term memory so it's there when you need it? So don't just read and reread. That's not going to cut it. You need to be active. Use these 4 proven techniques. Flashcards are perfect for drilling specific terms and settings. Mind maps, those are amazing for seeing how different concepts like compliance policies and conditional access all connect together. And of course, nothing, and I mean nothing, beats constant reinforcement through hands-on practice. Now, here is a fantastic pro tip, a real game changer that comes from people who've been in the trenches and past. For those super long, wordy case studies or scenario questions, just glance at the answers first. Seriously, it helps you immediately filter out all the noise and junk in the question itself and lets you reverse engineer what they're actually asking you to solve. It is a massive time saver. All right, we're in the home stretch. You've done the hard work, you've studied, you've labbed, you've practiced. Now it's time for the final phase. Executing flawlessly on exam day, and then planning for what comes after your victory. I know this stuff might seem basic, but it is absolutely vital. Do not cram the night before. Go in well rested. Read every single question carefully. They love to put in little tricks. Keep a close eye on the clock, and please do not get bogged down on one tough question. If it stumps you, flag it and come back to it later. Trust your preparation. It will carry you through. And remember, passing the exam isn't the finish line. It's the starting pistol for your next big move. The moment you get that pass screen, update your LinkedIn profile, update your resume. This certification is globally recognized. Use it as leverage for new projects, a new job, or a promotion. And then start planning your next move, like maybe tackling that AZ-104 Azure Administrator cert.
So we'll leave you with this. You now have the complete blueprint for success. This certification isn't just a PDF you download. It's a key that unlocks new doors in your career. It's totally within your reach. The only question left is, which door are you going to open first? Good luck.